In this video, I will show you how to count cells that contain text in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here, I have an Excel sheet that contains some cells having text values. I want to find the count of cells containing the text value green. To count the cells that contain text, we can use the COUNTIF function. The COUNTIF function counts the number of cells that match the given criteria and it accepts two arguments. We need to specify the range of the cells as the first argument and match criteria as the second argument. Let's type an equal sign in the target cell to start the formula. Now type COUNTIF and then an opening bracket. Select the range of the cells containing colors. Now type a comma to enter the second argument, which is the criteria. Since we want to count cells that contain the text green, I am going to type green in the double quotes. Type the closing bracket and hit the enter key to complete the formula. As you can see, we now have the count of cells that contain the specific text green. However, it returned the count of cells that contain the exact text green. As you can see, the cells containing partial matches like these cells are not included in the count. To include the count of cells that contain a partial match, we need to use the asterisk wildcard character in the criteria. For example, to count the cells in a range that begin with the text green, we need to specify the wildcard character at the start of the criteria like this. Similarly, to count the cells in a range that ends with the text green, we need to specify the wildcard character at the end of the criteria like this. Finally, if you want to count the cells that contain the text anywhere, that is at the start, at the end, or in the middle, we can specify the wildcard character at the start and at the end like this. This will return the count of all the cells containing text green anywhere in the cell. Watch this video to learn how to count cells that are equal to a value in Excel. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.